Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the impeachment of the President? Article 6.1. What is the minimum age for becoming a member of the Rajya Sabha? 30 years. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality? Article 1.4. Who was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India? Justice M. Fatima Bibi. What is the tenure of the Chief Election Commissioner of India? 6 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Lord Mountbatten. When was the Quit India movement launched? 1942. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. Which Indian king embraced Buddhism after the Kalinga War? Ashoka. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore, Literature, 1913. Which strait separates India from Sri Lanka? Palk Strait. What is the name of the highest waterfall in India? Kunchkal Falls. Which state in India is known as the land of 5 rivers? Punjab. Which river is the longest tributary of the Ganga? Yamuna. What is the name of the largest coral reef system in the world? The Great Barrier Reef. Who is the current Chief of Defence Staff of India as of 2023? General Anil Chanhin. Which country became the first to implement a total ban on smoking in public places? Bhutan. Who is the current Prime Minister of the United Kingdom as of 2023? Rishi Sunak. Who is the current President of Russia as of 2023? Vladimir Putin. What is the pH level of pure water? 7 neutral. Who developed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. What is the hardest natural substance found on Earth? Diamond. Which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid? Vitamin C. What is the smallest unit of life? Cell. What does FDI stand for? Foreign Direct Investment. Which Indian economist won the Nobel Prize in Economics in 1998? Amartya Sen. What does the term facial deficit mean? The difference between the government's total expenditure and its total receipts, excluding borrowing. Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution in India? M.S. Swaminathan. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Karnam Malleshwari, bronze in weightlifting 2000. Who holds the record for the fastest century in ODI cricket? A.B. de Villiers, 31 balls. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cup titles? Brazil. Who was the first Indian to win a Grand Slam title in tennis? Mahesh Bhupathi. Which sport is associated with the Ryder Cup? Golf. Thank you for watching.